Probably the most common tool to be run from here is the Remote Software Center tool. It's a fairly new function. What this is going to allow you to do several things as if you had opened Software Center on that device. First and foremost, pairs most easily with this SUDS report is the Software Updates tab. We can view software updates that are deployed, either available or required, same as we would in Software Center. And then we can kick off an install to whichever devices we select. From here, we can also uninstall or install applications. We can install a task sequence or kick one off, whatever we have deployed. We can also view configuration baselines on a device or devices we've selected as well. With this report, as with all of them, we can also export to a CSV, making it easy to surface information to management or to manipulate the data in Excel.